Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel Vedanta IS Academy by the director SP Verma. We will be discussing few general studies topics in today's program of multiple questions to help IS aspirant students. So let's start the program. Question first. About the atom of a chemical element, the magnetism quantum number refers to option A, orientation, option B, height, option C, size, or option D, spine. The correct answer is option A, orientation. Question second. Consider the following symptoms of a sick human body. First, swollen lymph nodes. Second, sweating at night. Third, loss of memory. Fourth, loss of weight. Which is the symptom of AIDS? Option A, 1 and 2. Option B, 2, 3 and 4. Option C, 1, 3 and 4. Or option D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The correct answer is option D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question third. The octopus is option A, an arthropod. Option B, an echinoderm. Option C, a hemichordate. Or option D, a mollusk. The correct answer is option D, a mollusk. Question fourth. The leader of the Bardoli Satyagraha 1928 was option A, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Option B, Mahadev Desai. Option C, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Or option D, Mahatma Gandhi. The correct answer is option A, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question 5th. Which statements is correct? Option A, only the Rajya Sabha and not the Lok Sabha can have nominated members. Option B, a nominated member can vote both in the president and vice presidential elections. Option C, there is no constitutional bar for a nominated member to be appointed as a union minister. Or option D, there is a constitutional provision for nominating two members belonging to the Anglo-Indian community to the Rajya Sabha. The correct answer is option C. There is no constitutional bar for a nominated member to be appointed as a union minister. Question 6th. With reference to Indian freedom struggle, which statement is not correct? Option A, Subhash Chandra Bose formed the forward bloc. Option B, the Rowlatt Act aroused a wave of popular indignation and led to the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Or option C, Bhagat Singh was one of the founders of Hindustan Republican Socialist Association. Option D, in 1931, the Congress session at Karachi opposed Gandhi-Irwin Pact. The correct answer is option D. In 1931, the Congress session at Karachi opposed Gandhi-Irwin Pact. Question 7th. The Earth radius were to shrink by 1%, then its mass remaining the same, the value of g on the Earth's surface would option A, increase by 1.2%, option B, increase by 0.2%, option C, decrease by 3.5%, or option D, decrease by 0.5%. The correct answer is option B, increase by 0.2%. Question 8th. Which is the highest percentage of forest area in the world? Option A, temperate coniferous forest. Option B, tropical monsoon forest. Option C, temperate deciduous forest. Or option D, tropical rainforest. The correct answer is option A, temperate coniferous forest. Question 9th. Which one of the following bills must be passed by each house of the Indian Parliament separately by special majority? Option A, Money Bill. Option B, Ordinary. Option C, Finance Bill. Or option D, Constitution Amendment Bill. The correct answer is option D, Constitution Amendment Bill. Question 10th. Which statement is not correct? Option A, the velocity of sound in air decreases as the humidity increases. Option B, the velocity of sound in air is whirled in fruit production. Option C, the velocity of sound in air decreases as the humidity increases. Or option D, the velocity of sound in air is not affected by the change in amplitude and frequency. The correct answer is option C. The velocity of sound in air decreases as the humidity increases. Question 11th. Which statement is correct? Option A. East Timor was a British colony for 4 countries. Option B. The European colonial ruler handed over East Timor to Indonesia in 1975. Option C. East Timor finally declared its independence in December 2001. Or option D. The United Nations took over East Timor in 1999 to prepare it for independence. The correct answer is option B. The European colonial ruler handed over East Timor to Indonesia in 1975. Question 12th. Consider the following statement. In India, stamp duties on financial transactions are: first, levied and collected by the state government; second, appropriated by the union government. Which of these statements is or are correct? Option A, only one. Option B, only two. Option C, both 1 and 2. Or option D, neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is option B, only 2. Question 13th. Consider the following statements. First, Vardhamana Mahavira's mother was a daughter of Lichavi chief Chitaka. Second, Gautam Buddha's mother was a princess from the Koshalan dynasty. Third, Parvanatha, the 23rd Tirthankara, belonged to Banaras. Which one of these statements is or are correct? Option A, only one. Option B, only two. Option C, 2 and 3. Or option D, 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is option C, 2 and 3. Question 14th. The light delusion in the atmosphere takes place due to: option A, helium; option B, dust particles; option C, carbon dioxide; or option D, water vapors. The correct answer is option D, water vapors. Question 15th. Which statement is correct? Option A, liquid sodium is employed as a coolant in nuclear reactors. Option B, zinc amalgams are used as a dental filling. Option C, Bordeaux's mixture consists of sodium sulfate and lime. Or option D, calcium carbonate is an ingredient of toothpaste. The correct answer is option A. Liquid sodium is employed as a coolant in nuclear reactors. Question 16th. Which one among the following state is smallest in area? Option A, Mizoram. Option B, Andhra Pradesh. Option C, Delhi. Or option D, Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is option D, Tamil Nadu. Question 17th. Consider the following statements. First, longitude of Jabalpur location is between those of Indore and Bhopal. Second, latitude of Aurangabad's location is between those of Vadodara and Pune. Third, Bangalore is situated more southward than Chennai. Which one of these is or are correct? Option A, 1 and 2. Option B, only 1. Option C, 2 and 3. Or option D, 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is option C, 2 and 3. Question 18th. Consider the following statements. First, while members of the Rajya Sabha are associated with committees on the public accounts and public undertaking, members of committee on estimates are drawn entirely from Lok Sabha. Second, the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs works under the overall direction of Cabinet Committee on Parliamentary Affairs. Third, the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs nominates members of Parliament on committees, councils, boards and commissions, etc., set up by the Government of India in the various ministries. Which of these statements are correct? Option A, 1 and 2. Option B, 2 and 3. Option C, 1, 2 and 3. Or option D, 1 and 3. The correct answer is option A, 1 and 2. Question 19th. How did the Mughal Emperor Jahan Darshan's reign come to an early end? Option A, he died of sickness due to too much consumption of wine. Option B, he died due to a slip while climbing down steps. Option C, he was defeated by his nephew in a battle. Or option D, he deposed by his vizier. The correct answer is option C. He was defeated by his nephew in a battle. Question 20th. The part of Nanda Devi Peak. Option A. Nepal Himalayas. Option B. Kumaon Himalayas. Option C. Assam Himalayas. Or option D. Haryana Himalayas. The correct answer is option B. Kumaon Himalayas. Question 21st. The Battle of Dharmat was fought between option A. Babur and the Afghans. Option B. Muhammad Ghori and Jai Chand. Option C. Aurangzeb and Dara Sikho. Or option D. Ahmad Shah Durrani and the Marathas. The correct answer is option C. Aurangzeb and Dara Sikho. Question 22nd. Which has the largest shipyard in India? Option A. West Bengal. Option B. Kochi. Option C. Visakhapatnam. Or option D. Mumbai. The correct answer is option B. Kochi. Question 23rd. A hydrogen-inflated polythene balloon is released from the surface of the earth. Like as the balloon rises to an altitude up in the atmosphere, it will be option A. Maintain the same size and shape. Option B. Flatten into a disc-like shape. Option C. Increase in size. Or option D. Decrease in size. The correct answer is option C. Increase in size. Question 24th. Which one of the following high courts has the territorial jurisdiction over Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Option A. Tamil Nadu. Option B. Calcutta. Option C. Allahabad. Or option D. Maharashtra. The correct answer is option B. Calcutta. Question 25th. Which is the order of magnitude of electric resistance of the human body drive? Option A. 10 raised to the power of 5 ohm. Option B. 10 raised to the power of 4 ohm. Option C. 10 raised to the power of 2 ohm. Or option D. 10 raised to the power of 6 ohm. The correct answer is option B. 10 raised to the power of 4 ohm. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.